उसके बाद हम वो सबसे पहले
कर लूंगी उस देर में। मोनिका शुरू करवाएं क्या?
I think we should begin.
मैम शुरू करवा रहे हैं, प्रिंसिपल मैम।
Ma'am, may we start?
यस संदीप जी रेडी?
रेडी मैम।
ठीक, थैंक यू।
A very good morning to respected principal ma'am, esteemed faculty members, and our wonderful fellow Mirandians. I, Cornelia, with Kanak, am extremely delighted to be your host for this year's college orientation program. Your presence has been much awaited in the college, and we are honored to welcome you all on behalf of the Miranda House Student Teacher Fraternity. Congratulations, incoming batch of 2021. You have completed us.
लोग अक्सर ये सवाल करते हैं कि मिरांडा हाउस में ऐसा क्या है जो इसे खास बनाता है। अब आप लोग मिरांडियंस हैं, तो इसका उत्तर आपको जल्द ही मिलेगा। 1948 में स्थापित मिरांडा हाउस दिल्ली विश्वविद्यालय के उत्तरी परिसर में स्थित है। यूनिवर्सिटी के वाइस चांसलर सर मॉरिस ग्वायर द्वारा स्थापित कॉलेज की आधारशिला लेडी एडविना माउंटबेटन द्वारा 7 मार्च 1948 को रखी गई थी। मिरांडा हाउस कॉलेज शुरू में बस 33 छात्राओं के साथ शुरू हुआ था और अब यह 4000 से अधिक छात्राओं को समायोजित कर सकता है। मिरांडा हाउस को देश के शीर्ष कॉलेज के रूप में स्थान दिया गया है। यह पिछले 5 वर्ष से NIRF में प्रथम स्थान प्राप्त करने में समर्थ रहा है। इसने ना जाने कितनी मिसालें दी हैं और ना जाने कितनी देना बाकी है। ये केवल एक शिक्षण संस्थान बनकर नहीं रहता, बल्कि यहाँ आने वाला हर व्यक्ति को इंसानियत एवं संवेदना सिखाकर एक पुनर्जन्म देता है। कार्यक्रम के शुभारंभ के लिए हम मिरांडा हाउस की इंडियन म्यूजिक सोसाइटी गीतांजलि से सिया राजपाल को मंगल आचरण के लिए आमंत्रित करना चाहेंगे।
संवदध्वंसं वो मनांसि जानदा संगच्छध्वंसं वदध्वंसं वो मनांसि जानदा समानो मन्त्रः समिति समानी सा समिति समानी समानं मनसः चित्तमेषा आसङ्गच्छध्वंसं वदध्वंसं वो मनांसि जानदा सरिगमग सगरिगम मगरि सनी पमरि मग पमगरि ग सानि ध पम पमगरि ग सानि ध पम गरे नि प पमगरि सनि सगम समानि वयाकृति समाना हृदयानि वा समानि वयाकृति समाना हृदयानि वा समानमस्तु वो मनो यथा वह सुसहासति सङ्गच्छध्वंसं वदध्वंसं वो मनांसि जानदा जानदा जानदा.
Thank you, Sia. You never fail to imbue our beginnings with an atmosphere of wonder.
Swadhyayan Pramaditavya steers students towards introspection and self-learning. The Upanishadic maxim in the college logo enshrines understanding of what education must accomplish. भारत की स्वतंत्रता की प्रभात मेला के समय स्थापित हुआ मिरांडा हाउस युवा लड़कियों को गुणवत्तापूर्ण उच्च शिक्षा का माध्यम देता आया है. मिरांडा हाउस एक ऐसे समाज की स्थापना के लिए निरंतर प्रयास करता आया है जहां औरतों को समान अधिकार मिले एवं वो हर क्षेत्र में अपना योगदान दे सके. केवल इतना ही नहीं, मिरांडा हाउस का आर्किटेक्चर शैली वॉल्टर साइक्स जॉर्ज द्वारा डिजाइन किया गया एक प्रकार है. इसकी सुंदरता के कारण परिसर को हेरिटेज हॉल के रूप में घोषित किया गया है. मिरांडा हाउस का छात्रावास डीयू कॉलेजों के सबसे सुंदर छात्रावासों में से एक है. मिरांडा की इसी धरोहर का आलेखन करते हुए प्रस्तुत है एमएच आर्काइविंग प्रोजेक्ट द्वारा एक वीडियो प्रस्तुति.
Pandit Nehru, India's Premier, followed by the Governor-General, Lady Mountbatten and their daughters, is seen in the procession to the University Hall at Delhi. The occasion was the conferring of an honorary degree on Lord Mountbatten. Afterwards, Lady Mountbatten laid the foundation stone of Miranda House, which is to be a college for women. History was made here on the site of the university at the time of the mutiny. Today, let's hope these peaceful university ceremonies may help to establish lasting and friendly relations between India and Great Britain.
Thus, the foundation stone of Miranda House was laid. Ms. Veda Thakurdas, the founder principal of Miranda House, had envisaged an institution that would offer women of independent India a chance to participate in shaping ideal feminine subjects. Miranda House thus witnessed the creation of a new nation and its history.
What an enlightening initiative. The video does bring the realization that as students of Miranda House, we truly are a part of something much bigger than ourselves, doesn't it? Great institutions are recognized as spaces of culture. They are a world within themselves, where our collective future takes shape. Discussion, deliberation, and debate ring through the halls of our college. Our iconic red brick walls, our inviting gardens, our passages and classrooms and trees have become part of this language. this intellectual tradition that Mirandians have fostered for decades. We do hope to stroll in the college corridors once more, and soon, but to give you a glimpse of the Miranda House experience, a virtual tour of the college has been prepared for you. So, can we please have the virtual tour?
अत्यंत सुंदर प्रस्तुति। कहती हैं ये लाल दीवारें बहुत कुछ, एक बार सुनने की कोशिश तो करो। कहती हैं ये लाल दीवारें बहुत कुछ, एक बार सुनने की कोशिश तो करो। एक अजनबी नहीं, एक मिरांडियन बनकर मिरांडा की आवाज अपने दिल से सुनने की कोशिश तो करो। अब मैं कॉलेज की माननीय प्राचार्य प्रोफेसर विजय लक्ष्मी नंदा मैम का स्वागत करते हुए उनसे अनुरोध करती हूँ कि वे हमें अपने प्रेरणापूर्ण शब्दों से प्रोत्साहित करें।
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद कनक और कर्नेलिया। बहुत सुंदर मैनर में आपने कॉलेज को बहुत अच्छे से दर्शाया। और मैं पहली बार ये कहना चाहती हूँ, फर्स्ट टाइम फॉर ऑल द स्टूडेंट्स हु हैव जॉइंड अस, I am going to use a term that you will now become familiar with for all of your lives. Dear Mirandians, you are all Mirandians today. So dear Mirandians, a huge round of applause to all of you who have joined us. On behalf of the college, its teaching faculty, its non-teaching faculty, and its seniors, I am truly delighted to welcome you. I know we are on a virtual mode, and the reality is yet to sink in for all of us, that you are now a part of the Miranda House community. But you better believe it now, you are all a part of Miranda House. Your second years will tell you they have also not been able to come to the college, but they are a part of Miranda House. And as you can see, Cornelia and Kanak are very much a part of Miranda House while being in their own homes. So you are all now connected by one thread, and that is the thread of the history of the college, the love of the community, and the spirit of Miranda House that endures. Now, I must say that you are all not new to newness. You are the most adaptable of all generations. Your resilience and courage in the face of this changing world, the pandemic that has configured the world for us, has made us face many challenges and sufferings, and you have all suffered personal losses. Yet, I believe all of us have joined hands today to move forward. The fact that you are all sitting here talking about an orientation and joining a college all virtually shows us that you have a spirit that makes us all move forward. Now, let me tell you a few things that has not been told here by the beautiful virtual mode of presentation, by the wonderful words of Kanak and Cornelia, and the virtual tour that we saw right now, and also the digital archiving project, which is such a wonder. There is a lot more that the college has to offer you. One, the most important thing that Miranda House has to offer you is its faculty. Its faculty, which is stellar, which will guide you throughout your life, not just these 3 years, and also will give wings to your aspirations. So welcome to Miranda House and to its wonderful faculty who will now become your major guides, your philosophers, your mentors in every sense of the term. Its non-teaching staff who will be ever helpful and will be there for everything that you need. The other thing that you have already seen is a beautiful historical ambience that you will now be a part of. A state-of-art building, resources which are modern, which will be available to all of you, and you will be able to hone your skills through that. Other than that, a very dynamic senior mentor, a peer mentor that you will find. The other thing, and I hope you have already got to it, making friends with your own peers who have come from your schools, but who have come from all parts of India. So I think Miranda House in any and every sense today is a microcosm of the whole of India. So welcome to that diversity. Get to know each other. That's the first thing you will need to do. You, of course, have a legacy which is unparalleled. Now, apart from all that we bring to you, I hope that you will bring us something. And I know that you already have. You have brought here your courage, your resilience, your wonderful skills of staying connected in this manner. You know more about it than any one of us. So I think with that, you will bring with you your imagination, your dreams, and your questions. I hope you have many questions. I hope those questions provoke us to provide you the right answers. You are going to open us to a world of possibilities. I hope you will learn the Mirandian spirit of disagreeing with us and letting us know how we can learn better by the fact that you disagree with us. Tell us how we can learn from the new understandings that have emerged in the world that you all are a part of. We sit in Delhi, but you bring to us the whole of India. But let me tell you, this is not just the whole of India. We have with us today students from Bangladesh, from Afghanistan. We have students from many parts from Nepal, from Bhutan, from many parts of India who have joined us today. We have 20 students already living on the campus who are new and who are from all parts of the world. So I think not just from India, but from all parts of the world. So we are welcoming an international world here into Miranda House. So this is a world of possibilities. We hope that as we remain committed to diversity, to pluralism, to democracy, we remain committed to dynamism. The dynamism of it is that we are committed to a spirit of learning together and moving forward together. We hope that we will be empathetic, we will be compassionate, which we already are, because the world really needs far more empathy and far more compassion than there is already here. And I'm sure Mirandians can show us the way as how to be more empathetic and more compassionate. We hope to see you soon in the physical environments of the college. We welcome all of you from all parts of India and from the rest of the world. We hope that Miranda will be a world in its own making. We welcome you again here on a virtual mode, and we hope to see you in the college soon. Thank you very much. And I also would like to hand over to Kanak and Cornelia and to the Miranda House student unions and the staff that has organized this particular program. I just want to add towards the end that I did not become a part of the rehearsals of this particular program because I also wanted to stand back like a newcomer, like a fresher, and watch the program with awe, and I did. What the kind of awe that it invoked in me, I'm sure it invoked the same in all who are watching it today. Thank you, Dr. Hena Singh, Dr. Monica Tomar, and all the others who are associated with the making of this program. Over to you, Cornelia and Kanak. Take it forward. Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am. It is your leadership that has been a constant source of inspiration for us in these trying times. Our college is renowned for the liberty it confers upon its students, as ma'am just mentioned. But this is only because it is an institution that regards proper discipline and good conduct as virtues of utmost importance. A proctorial committee is efficacious in ensuring that each student upholds these values and order is maintained in the learning space. I would now like to request the convener of the proctorial committee, Dr. Reema Bhatia ma'am, to convey a few words on the role of this body and its expectations from all students of the institute. Welcome, ma'am.
Hi, good morning, everybody, and welcome to the Miranda House family. It's indeed a pleasure to welcome all of you here. And it is, I am in charge of the proctorial committee, and it is my job to look after the vigilance and discipline on the Miranda House campus. And as a part of our efforts and to make your life in Miranda House smooth and free of any kind of trauma and any kind of ragging, we have anti-ragging squads all over the campus. Of course, in the online mode, you may not be aware of them, but once we get back to the physical campus, we have online anti-ragging squads. And what we also have is that outside the principal's office, there are sealed complaint box. There are also where you can put in your complaints regarding any kind of ragging complaints or any kind of harassment that you might face. So, and I request all of you to also report any matters which you perceive to be mental, physical, sexual or verbal abuse, anything that you think is indecent behavior, anything which you think is undermining your human dignity. You should report all of these matters without fail. And I would urge all departments to please form their mentor-mentee squads. If you have mentor-mentee squads, then what happens is that you partner with the senior student who would take care of you, who would show you around, who would show you the ropes and what is to be done. And this, in a way, becomes a personal consultant. So the proctorial committee includes several faculty members. Their names are displayed on the Miranda House website, as well as in the physical mode in the college. If you go there, our phone numbers are there. Our email IDs are also there. So in case of any kind of problems that you face, you're welcome to contact us. In addition to that, what you can also do is that the Delhi Police also has an anti-ragging app, which is called the Himmat app. And you can all download that. You can also go to the MHRD website, and they have an email ID called helpline@antiragging.in. You can also get in touch with the MHRD directly. In addition to this, the Delhi University also has its helpline, and all the details are visible on the Miranda House website as well as the Delhi University website. And for my dear foreign students who have just joined Miranda House, a special welcome to you too. And in case you do face any kind of harassments, let me assure you that we also have a foreign students advisor. They will look after you. You can approach them. The Delhi University also has a special cell for foreign students in case you face any kind of harassment or any kind of help you might need, and we are here to help you. So once again, welcome to Miranda House, and I hope your journey here is pleasant and you learn a lot from all of us here. Congratulations to all of you once again. Thank you.
धन्यवाद मैम। मिरांडा हाउस महिला सशक्तिकरण एवं संरक्षण के लिए हमेशा खड़ा रहा है। कॉलेज की इंटरनल कंप्लेंट्स कमेटी जो 2014 में बनाई गई थी, महिलाओं के विरुद्ध सेक्सुअल हैरेसमेंट से जुड़ी सभी शिकायतों को दर्ज करती है तथा उनके साथ अपेक्षित सहयोग करती है। अब हम डॉक्टर बाशोबी गुप्ता मैम को आमंत्रित करना चाहेंगे कि वे सभी को इंटरनल कंप्लेंट्स कमेटी के बारे में विस्तार से बताएं।
Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Miranda House. I would like to share a small video, a small PPT with you. The Internal Complaints Committee is basically composed of teachers, students, and the non-teaching staff of the college. We are a committee which deals with sexual harassment. Anything which you think is harassing, which you think is injurious to your dignity, everything, please report to us. I am my screen on the screen. Can you see my PPT? I have all the details of what is constituting sexual harassment at the workplace and how do we function. All our details are there on the website also. You are free to contact us any time of the day or night. It doesn't really matter, but we need you to tell us. We need you to speak up. We do not need you and we do not teach you at all. Neither do we encourage you to suffer in silence. This is something women face a lot in their everyday lives. Even a negative comment which has sexual connotations is injurious to our dignity. So when you come into this college, we are there to help you. We are there to take care of all your needs of such nature. I am Dr. Vaishnavi Gupta. I teach at the Geography Department. The other members of this committee are Dr. Renu Arora, who is in the Department of History, Hindi, Dr. Ilangba Gitanjali, who is there in the Department of Botany. Call us, walk up to us, email us, do anything you wish to in this time. Use the opportunity to discuss your problems with us of any sexual nature, especially if currently you are facing anything in the cyber world. We are open to those complaints also. You are most welcome to talk to us. What we always say is, do not suffer in silence. Talk to us, speak up. This is a quasi-legal committee which really helps you in dealing with all such problems. The college counselor is present to help you. We will also help you to connect with the law enforcement agencies in case your case requires that. And one thing I can assure you is that the entire matter is kept completely confidential. Other than the student members and the teacher members and the two non-teaching members in our committee, and we also have a lawyer, an external member who is a professional lawyer to come and help us in our cases. Your identity, your problem is kept completely confidential. Nobody will know, nobody will guess, or even any information will not be given out regarding this case. It will not affect you. So we need you to be vigilant. We need you to be conversant with what constitutes sexual harassment, whether it is an off remark, whether it is a continuous remark, whether it is somebody stalking you online or even in the physical space, or making remarks colored by sexual connotations, or talking to you, showing you photographs, or sending you photographs. A lot of these things which we take in our everyday lives as chhod do, chalta hai, chhodiye mat, nahi chalta hai. It is your dignity which matters. And we are here to teach you and to help you in that. How do we go about it? The committee details are there on our website. There is an email. All our phone numbers are also there. You are free to call us, WhatsApp us, email us, anything which you prefer. Our three student members are Bhavika from Economics Honors, Vanshika from BA program, and Neha Chaudhary from the first year Hindi Honors. They are elected members. You elect your own members. Each year is represented in the committee. So it is a joint committee. You're most welcome to come and talk to us. Even if you want to clear your doubts, you're most welcome to open up to us. Thank you so much. Welcome once again to Miranda House. It is a wonderful opportunity. Let us walk this space together and reduce the problems that we face in our everyday lives at this level at least. This law that I'm talking about, under which the ICC has been set up, first came about in 97. The Delhi University immediately had proclaimed a proclamation which was Ordinance 15D, when the new parliamentary law came in 2013, within 2014, January, Delhi University had notified it, and this committee is set up as per the legal requirements of those laws. So don't be afraid. You're most welcome. Don't suffer in silence. Thank you so much.
Thank you. I'm sorry. Thank you, ma'am, for your insight. All students of our institution are instrumental in contributing to its learning environment. And so each one is a member of the Miranda House Students' Union, which is affiliated to the Delhi University Students' Union. The principal of the college is the patron of the Students' Union. The union acts as an umbrella body over departmental societies, cultural societies, and other clubs, the college sports organization, and the college units of National Cadet Corps and National Service Scheme. I would now like to request the convener of the EMIT Students' Union, Dr. Monica Vij, ma'am, to shed some light on the functions of the students' body.
Good morning, all. I welcome you all to Miranda House. On behalf of the Students' Union, I welcome you all. And now, as Dr. Nanda said, the principal said that you are all Mirandians. So on account of being Mirandian, you are automatically a part of Miranda House Students' Union. As Cornelia said, Miranda House Students' Union is an umbrella body over several departmental societies, co-curricular societies, extracurricular societies. There are several committees, clubs. So over 30 clubs and committees are there in this in Miranda House to enable you to become the holistic human being which you would be as being a responsible, conscientious citizen of the country. So the training towards you being a Mirandian would be, Miranda House Students' Union will give you enough opportunity to express yourself through cultural committees. We have like Indian dance, Western dance, Indian music, Western music, snapshots, Fine Arts Society, Jigyasa. Then we have, if you're conscientious towards the environment and you want to express yourself, there's Vatavaran Society, there's a placement cell. There are several opportunities by which you can express yourself, you can be creative, you will learn. Miranda House Students' Union is a umbrella body over all the departmental societies also. Each department has a society of its own. It's an elected body. And you will get to participate in several talks, in debates, seminars, paper reading competitions, festivals. So the life of a Mirandian is a very enriched life. And Miranda House Students' Union, the task of Miranda House Students' Union is to organize and support all these activities. So we have co-curricular societies like NCC, NSS, and sports, where mandatorily you are a part of at least one of them. There are committees to support you, proctorial and anti-ragging committee. There's a grievance and redressal committee. There's internal complaints committee, which the teachers just introduced you to. Being a holistic individual, inclusion and giving support to the society, to the members of the society is one of the important, responsibility. And Miranda House has several cells for that. We have Equal Opportunity Cell, Enabling Society, Women's Development Cell, Northeast Student Cell, Foreign Student Cell, Placement Cell. So as I said, roughly around 30 committees and clubs and cultural societies are there. You would get a chance to orientation of each of them starting from 22nd to 26th. So there's this particular link on which you have joined today will be active from 22nd November, Monday to Friday, 26th November, from 3:30 to 5 p.m. And each day, 6 societies or clubs would be showcasing about their society with the Google form. You have a chance to register yourself after listening to their presentations and become a part of these clubs and learn and contribute and question and participate and enjoy being a student of Miranda House. Tempest is the annual festival of Miranda House Students Union, which is looked after. It's like awaited. It's a much awaited festival, not only for the Mirandians, but all people in Delhi University. And I hope and wish that you will contribute to these events, these festivals in a major way. And I wish you best of luck. We await you to join in the campus. We welcome you and to contribute to Miranda House Students Union. Thank you so much.
धन्यवाद मैम, हमें इतना कुछ बताने के लिए MS स्टूडेंट्स यूनियन के बारे में। और अब हम सभी को एक सच्चे मिरांडियन की भावना से बांधने के लिए और उनकी आवाजों से हमें मंत्र मुक्त करने के लिए गीतांजलि प्रस्तुत करने जा रहा है हमारा कॉलेज गीत, जो हमारे हिंदी विभाग के प्राध्यापक सदस्य डॉक्टर सुधा कुमार मैम द्वारा लिखा गया है।
आजाद धरा पर हम जन्मे, हम आजादी के दीवाने, आजाद हवाओं में उड़ने वाले हम पंछी मस्ताने। आजाद धरा पर हम जन्मे, हम आजादी के दीवाने। धरती पर पाँव हमारे हैं, सपने आकाश से ऊंचे हैं, कितनी बुलंदियां छूने को कितने दिन हमने खर्चे हैं। बेजोड़ हमारी हस्ती है, बेजोड़ हमारी मस्ती है, बेजोड़ हमारे सपने हैं, बेजोड़ हमारे अफसाने। आजाद धरा पर हम जन्मे, हम आजादी के दीवाने। उड़ती तिथियां बढ़ते संबर भी हमको रोक नहीं पाए, हम अपनी धुन में रमे हुए हैं, आज यहाँ तक बढ़ आए। हम सिंह वाहिनी जैसे हैं, हम हंस वाहिनी जैसे हैं, हम मधुर रागिनी जैसे हैं, निकले हैं जग पर छा जाने। आजाद धरा पर हम जन्मे, हम आजादी के दीवाने। कला क्षेत्र या फिल्म जगत हर ओर हमारे चर्चे हैं, पूरब से लेकर पश्चिम तक हम में से ही कुछ पहुँचे हैं। है नाज हमें अपने ऊपर, अपनी अनमोल विरासत पर, है नाज मिरांडा हाउस पर, इस बात को सारा जग जाने। आजाद धरा पर हम जन्मे, हम आजादी के दीवाने। आजाद हवाओं में उड़ने वाले हम पंछी मस्ताने। आजाद धरा पर हम जन्मे, हम आजादी के दीवाने।
अत्यंत सुंदर प्रस्तुति। गीतांजलि के स्वर केवल कानों को नहीं परंतु दिलों को भी छूते हैं। अब तक तो आप समझ चुकी होंगी कि मिरांडा में खास क्या है। कोविड के कारण हम इस वक्त भले ही मिरांडा में एक साथ बैठकर आपका स्वागत नहीं कर सकते, लेकिन ये भी मिरांडा की एक खासियत है कि ये केवल एक कॉलेज नहीं परंतु एक ऐसी श्लेष्मा है जो देश के विभिन्न कोनों के लोगों को दूर रहते हुए भी साथ ले आता है। अब मिरांडा हाउस ने हमेशा से अपने छात्राओं को समन्वित विकास पर अत्यंत ध्यान दिया है। इसी संदर्भ में खेलकूद के महत्व को समझते हुए कॉलेज में स्पोर्ट्स डिपार्टमेंट भी मौजूद है। मैं डॉक्टर अमिता राणा मैम से अनुरोध करती हूँ कि वे सभी को इससे जुड़ी जानकारी से अवगत कराएं।
Good morning, everyone. I welcome you all to Miranda House. As a convener of NSO program, I'll share my presentation with you for better understanding. So we have 3 co-curricular activities in the college. First is National Sports Organization, that is, we call it NSO. Then National Cadet Corps, that is NCC, and National Service Scheme, that is NSS. It is mandatory that you have to opt one and you have to do the activities which is organized by these co-curricular activities. Next. NSO programs come under the Department of Physical Education and Sports Sciences. Objective of NSO program is mass participation in sports and physical activity to raise the college and university sports standards and organize training and coaching session in the campus and out of campus also. In line with the objective of NSO program to promote sports and physical activity, organize inter-college tournaments and training session for the college teams, the Department of Physical Education and Sports Sciences strives to reach out to each member of Miranda House community through specially designed activities and events for the students. In activities, we have 3 types of activities we organize for the college. That is competitive sports, intra-module, or you can say inter-department tournaments, and there's a fitness activities. Competitive sports, we have 10 to 12 competitive games. We are participating at various levels, that is inter-college, state, university, national, and international level. And these sports are archery, athletics, that is track and field, you can say, basketball, chess, netball, shooting, table tennis, taekwondo, tennis, weightlifting, powerlifting. And the coaching session for these games are in the morning prior to your classes, that is 7 to 8:30, and in the evening, that is 3 to 5 p.m., 6 days a week. Intramodule activities, or you can say inter-department activities for our students, that is individual events like track and field, your running events, 100 meter, 200 meter, your throws event, and your jumps event like high jump, long jump, chess, taekwondo, tennis, and recreation and fun games. And then there's a team games for the college also, basketball, netball, throw ball, badminton. And the department also organize and encourage visually challenged students to participate in all kinds of sports activities. Fitness activities, we always want that fitness, Miranda House should be fit and fine. So we organize for our students, freshers cross-country race annually. But last 2 years, because of COVID, we are not able to organize this race. But when we are in physical mode, again, we are going to start this race. Then 1 month certificate course for our student, then aerobics and general fitness activities like there are so many weight training, hai, cross country, hai, and then we have circuit training and all. Miranda House has fantastic facilities for our student, that is basketball court, netball, taekwondo, archery, chess, tennis, and for yoga. Aeroburn is our annual sports fest, and in this fest we organize 2 types of event, that is for inter-college level, and one is for AMH faculty, non-teaching staff and students. At competition organized for inter-college, that is rhythmic yoga, aerobics, and in various competition like netball, basketball, tennis, chess. And for Miranda House students, we organize any according to their interest, some fun events, some track events, and events for the specially able students also. Department to motivate our students to excel in sports, we will introduce few awards. That is Best Sportswoman of the Year. These awards are given annually with a trophy, certificate, and cash prize of worth ₹5,000. And then Best Outgoing Athlete, same trophy, certificate, and then cash prize containing 3,000, and so on. For any query, you can contact us, myself, Dr. Amita Rana, teacher in charge and convener for NSO activities, and Dr. Neeru Yadav. She's also with me in the department. You can contact us for inquiry. And there's a sports union also, and our president is Nandini Sharma. You can contact her also, and then Vice President Cheshta Agarwal. Nowadays, we are going online because of COVID-19. So we are organizing, every month we are organizing fitness activities, some workshops, some seminars, or some, you can say, lectures on fitness and yoga and other kind of activities. So please do join us online. And our motto is fitness is always, should be with our heart. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Our sports committee is extremely active and we are very proud of that. Miranda House is also the home of its own National Cadet Corps. Our NCC wing has a total strength of 160 cadets enrolled in the Army wing. Our young aspiring officers are always full of josh and can often be found practicing in the college grounds with their chins up and shoulders squared, even in Delhi winter. We would now welcome the embodiment of their strength, their convener, Ms. Archana Kushwaha, ma'am, to introduce you to our revered NCC wing. Welcome, ma'am.
Thank you. Can we have the PPT? Okay, good morning, everyone. Let me first extend a very warm welcome to each one of you to Miranda House. I'm Dr. Archana Kushwaha, and I'm the caretaker officer at Miranda House for NCC. Before I tell you about how you can join NCC at Miranda House, let us first look into a day in a cadet's life. Stumping hard, shouting with all their might, cadets are at the top of their stamina as soon as the clock strikes 6 in the morning. With a sharp crease and shining boots, cadets are ready to sweat it out all the time. Their religion and their identity is defined by the uniform they don. They are called the Miranda House NCC company. They lead from front, they march proudly, they have fire in their eyes, and their eyes shine like blazing sun. They represent the largest uniformed organization of the world, and it's called the National Cadet Corps. Unity and discipline is the motto of NCC, which they follow to word and spirit. Next slide, please. Now, what is NCC? NCC, as you know, is the National Cadet Corps. It's the youth wing of the Indian Armed Forces. It inculcates officer-like qualities in the youth and also gives them an insight into the glorious military life. Like I said, the motto, unity and discipline, is followed in spirit, and with more than 13 lakh members, it's one of the largest organizations of its kind in the world. The NCC flag, as you can see, there are 3 colors. The color red represents the Army, the deep blue color stands for the Navy, and the light blue color stands for the Air Force. The NCC crest in the middle that you see, the word NCC is encircled by a wreath of lotus. There are 17 lotus if you can count, and these 17 lotus, they depict the 17 directorates all over India. There are some cardinal principles of NCC which the cadets have to follow, and these are: obey with smile, be punctual all the time, work very hard without making any fuss, make no excuses, and never tell lies. These are principles which have to be followed by all NCC cadets. Now, what's the aim of NCC? The aims of NCC were laid out in 1988. And these aims have stood the test of time, and they have met the expected requirements also of the current socioeconomic scenario. The aim is to develop character, comradeship, discipline, secular outlook, and a spirit of team. Next, please. talking about the Miranda House NCC company, we come under the 1 Delhi Girls Battalion, which is being commanded currently by Colonel Pankaj Kumar. Please remember, the Miranda House NCC company is only the army wing of NCC. To be selected in the NCC, you have to go through a selection process which comprises of 2 levels. The first is the physical test. Of course, you have to be physically very fit in order to be part of NCC. Followed by the physical test is the interview with the rank panel. So once you clear these 2 levels, you will be enrolled in NCC. Having enrolled in NCC, you will get an opportunity to take part in various camps. Some of these camps are the Combined Annual Training Camp, CATC as it is called, the Basic Leadership Camp, Advanced Training Camp, Himalayan Mountaineering Institute at Darjeeling. These are the list of camps which you would be required to attend. And the prestigious, the Republic Day camp, for which, of course, there is a very stringent process of selection. And if you do get selected, you'll get an opportunity to march the Rajpath in the NCC contingent. And we do have cadets who have marched on the Rajpath on Republic Day. Besides these, we have Ek Bharat Shresh Bharat camp, the PM's rally, CM's rally, and the rock climbing camp. This is just a glimpse of some of the camps you may attend once you're enrolled in NCC. Next, please. Once you are enrolled in NCC, the first year is completely the training. And at the end of the second year of your NCC at college, you will appear for the B certificate exam. If you've cleared your B certificate exam, at the end of the third year, you can appear for the C certificate exam. Students or cadets who have the C certificate exams get various benefits. One is that they are exempted from appearing in the written examination of the Combined Defense Services. So cadets with C certificate appear for SSB directly. They don't have to write the entrance exam. Apart from this, NCC cadets also receive various benefits in the field of government. They are preferred in many government jobs. So you see there are a lot of advantages of being an NCC cadet also. Miranda House has a very illustrious history of NCC as yeah. I've just put in some of these photographs. The renowned singer Neeti Mohan was an NCC cadet in our college. Recently, Simran Kapoor, she represented NCC at Russia as a part of the youth exchange program. Manya M. Kumar, she is currently the student. She was adjudged the All India Best Cadet of the Army Wing. And for this, she was awarded a prize by the Honorable Prime Minister of India. She also attended, she of course marched on the Rajpath, and she attended the PN's rally also. So you see, and apart from this, we have many, NCC cadets who have joined the armed forces. The list is very long. We have our students have joined the Indian Air Force and the Indian Army. Some of them are already officers, some are undergoing the training. So you see a glorious history of NCC in our college. Next slide, please. I've talked to you about the benefits of joining NCC in terms of services later on, but NCC is not just about exemption from CDS examination or getting preference in jobs. It is a way of life. It gives you a bag full of memories which you can cherish throughout your life. It believes in empowering each and every individual. It is about leadership, it is about team spirit, commodoreship, and here in NCC, we believe in service before self. For us, nation comes first and the rest follows. So if you want this experience, if you want this life, NCC is for you. all the information related to how you can register and how you can participate in the selection process is there on the website. Please check the website on regular basis. Very soon we will begin with the selection process. In fact, the first round of selection for those students who have already registered, you can go for the first round at headquarters NCC Kirti Nagar. It's happening on Monday, that is the 22nd of November. You don't have to worry if you're not there in Delhi, but if you are, please do go there at 9 a.m. The first round of selection is going to start there. However, those who are not in Delhi or for some reason are not able to go on 22nd to Kirti Nagar, don't worry, we will have other rounds also at our college. All the information, like I said, is there on the website. You can get in touch with me if you have any queries, or you can get in touch with the senior under officer, Nidhishil. Her contact details are also available at the website. So thank you. All the best. Jai Hind.
धन्यवाद मैम, हमें इस एकता एवं अनुशासन एनसीसी विंग से अवगत कराने के लिए। मदर टेरेसा ने अत्यंत सुंदर शब्दों में कहा था, चैरिटी isn't about pity, it's about love। मिरांडा हाउस अपनी छात्राओं को समाज के प्रति अपना प्रेम एवं कर्तव्य के आलेखन का मौका देता है। इसी समाज कल्याण के भाव को आगे बढ़ाते हुए मिरांडा हाउस नेशनल सर्विस स्कीम तरह तरह के प्रोजेक्ट्स करता आया है। अब हम एनएसएस की कन्वीनर डॉक्टर मालती शर्मा मैम को इस संदर्भ में जानकारी देने हेतु आमंत्रित करते हैं।
Thank you, Kanak. So good morning to all of you. A very warm welcome to all the first year students to the orientation program of NSS Miranda House. The National Service Scheme is a central sector scheme of the Government of India, Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports. It provides an opportunity for students to take part in various community service activities and programs. Can you see this NSS badge on the screen at top right side? So what do you think that what it indicates? So you can see that there is a Rath wheel of the famous, world famous Konark Sun Temple. So the Konark wheel in the badge has 8 bars, which signify the 24 hours of a day. The volunteer is ready to serve the community around the clock. There are 2 colors in the badge. The red color signifies the energy and the spirit displayed by the volunteer, and the navy blue color signifies the cosmos, of which the NSS is a tiny part, ready to contribute its share for the welfare of mankind. Next screen, please. So the aim of NSS is to provide hands-on experience to young students in delivering community service. NSS helps the student to grow individually and also as a group. It makes the student confident, develop leadership skills, and gain knowledge about different people from different walks of life. Students learn other skills that help them lead a better life in various situations. So the motto of NSS is not me, but you. You can get in NSS, if you join NSS, you can get NSS certificate. So a student member has to, for this, you have to, a student member has to contribute a minimum of 120 hours of community service in an academic year. For first year students, the academic session 2021-22 will be from now till next year, maybe July or August. Now, if you join, you can get a certificate also. Next slide, please. So we have been functioning online since the onset of the COVID-19 pandemic. So these are some few glimpses of the activities, webinars, competitions, and workshops that have been conducted during that time. Next. So these are some glimpses. So beside these events, we also conduct some others. So these are only few. Next. So we have, beside these activity, we have 5 projects functioning under NSS unit, and those projects are for whole of the academic session. Next. Our first project is Project Saksham, that works for women empowerment in all aspects. Through women empowerment, we seek to join the struggle to establish gender equality. Next project is Sadbhavna. Project Sadbhavna is our initiative to help the orphans and elderly people in our society. Our volunteers work for the development of these people at Udaan Shelter Home in Kamla Nagar. So these are the activities done by our volunteers. Next project is our project Sahyog, that focuses on mental health and positive concept of social and emotional well-being of individuals and communities. It includes the activity directly or indirectly related to the mental well-beings. Next screen, please. Next. Our fourth project is Project Agas, works for wholesome development of underprivileged kids residing near Azadpur Mandi. Volunteers taught them at Hakikat Park near our college. These days we have been teaching, our volunteers have been teaching them online since the onset of the pandemic. Next. Hold on. So this is our last project. Fifth project, that is Project Sakar, that works tirelessly to help our visually impaired colleagues in the college. Volunteers have recently set up an audio video library called Shiksha for them. With this, I would now, next please. So with this, I would now introduce our core union members. Rakshita is the president with Apurva as vice president. Aditi and Sukriti are the general secretary and treasurer respectively. So these are our core union members. And other than this, we have 6 wonderful project heads who are the in charge of our projects. So these are Taiba, Sakshi, Priyanka, Sanpriya, Silky, and Ayushi. They are working, all office bearers are working very wonderful, in the wonderful way. So next, please. So now you can, now for this, if you want to involved in NSS, you have to register for NSS, and for that, for registration. And also you can follow us on our social media handles for any question and updates. If you are interested to join NSS, then you have to fill Google form for registration. So our NSS president is posting registration link in the chat box. So the form is circulated in the chat box, you can see, and if you can fill now also, and you can also access that link. We have already uploaded link for registration in NSS on the college website as well, and it will be circulated in your departmental WhatsApp group also. Next. So thank you. The entire NSS family looks forward to have you with us. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. It is under your guidance that our NSS continues to inspire students and members of the community alike. This is the second time we have had to host the college orientation program virtually. And these past almost 2 years have come with their challenges. The college halls seem to long for the sounds of endless laughter. Our canteen seems to miss the long lines for Rajma Chawal. Our grounds hope for the glaring sunlight to be interrupted by big groups of old friends again, and the cats of Miranda House sure do miss us all a lot. The near future looks brighter though, and the yearnings of our beautiful, beautiful college may soon be fulfilled, and we shall come together to reinvent life at Miranda. We have waited for you for the longest time, and now that you have finally joined us, We will help make Miranda your second home.
पिछला कुछ वक्त हम सबके लिए बहुत मुश्किल रहा है, पर अब वक्त है एक नई शुरुआत का और एक नए सिरे से एक नई कहानी लिखने का। वक्त दीजिए खुदा को, सन्नाटों का भी शोर होगा। रातें हो जाती हैं अक्सर लंबी, लेकिन इन्हीं के बाद तो भोर होगा।
Beautifully put, Kanak. With hopes of this promising tomorrow, we approach the end of the college orientation program. Thank you for being patient with us and all the best for your journey ahead. We may now request all BA program students to stay back on this link for their department orientation. The links for all other department orientations have been circulated on department WhatsApp groups. We request honors and Bachelor of Science program students to kindly move to the links of their respective department orientations. The orientation for general elective courses will be held from 2 to 3:30 p.m. for social science courses and from 3:30 to 5 p.m. for science courses on this very link. The orientation for various societies will take place from 3:30 p.m. to 5 p.m. from the 22nd November to the 26th of November. All society orientations will be conducted on this link only. Thank you and have a great day ahead.
I thank all on behalf of Students' Union once again. I, Dr. Monica Vidge, I am in the Geography Department. I thank you all for the faculty and the students for making this orientation a success. And I, once again, welcome all the new students of Miranda House to proudly calling themselves as Mirandian. We wait for your contribution, we wait for your knowledge, we wait your support, we wait for your vibrancy and your dynamism within the college. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Dr. Vidge. Thank you, Cornelia. Thank you, Kanak. Welcome, Mirandians. Welcome to your classrooms in the virtual mode. A huge round of applause to all of you. Thank you very much.
Your department orientations will begin from 11 o'clock. And it will be, I am sure you would have all received the links from your respective departments. We will meet to our departments, the faculties and the student societies for each department there itself. So, so now you will join your respective departments at 11 a.m. Okay, till we meet again on campus, maybe online, whenever, we'll stay always in touch. And we are proud to be Mirandians and we continue the tradition. Thank you so much. Thank you, Principal Dr. Nanda, for enabling this. Thank you, the student volunteers. Thank you, Sandeep Anand, for holding this online orientation in a very smooth manner. He's always been a great support. I would like to also inform, somewhere we missed that we have a staff nurse also in our college. So health is always there. So the parents, if they are looking at the orientation, we try to give a holistic support and encouragement to the students. It's not only about academics. Your life at Miranda House will be a very wholesome experience. Thank you once again. So I think we can call it off now.
So I will be leaving the link, Monica.
Yeah, sure. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, thank you, Dr. Vidge, and I'm sorry for the slip of tongue. I have
no problem.
I'm really sorry about that. It's not usually my thing, but I just got a little rattled with everything that goes on a virtual mode. But anyway, you are there in person and you are the organizer. And I think in absentia, I've also thanked the website connectivity committee. The joy of sharing a name is always there. Thank you, Cornelia and Kanak, very well organized. Thank you, Hena, very, very well done. I really enjoyed it. And I also felt goosebumps, you know, just like everybody else must have felt. It was very well done. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Everything went very smoothly, very smoothly. It was very well organized. Kept to the time. I think we finished before time, right?
We finished much earlier. I think we finished an hour earlier.
Yes. So we are doing very good. I think.